Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to turn on two-step authentication on your LinkedIn or two-step verification setting. How you can on LinkedIn. I will show you in my desktop or I will show in my Android phone. But if you're using a desktop, laptop or an iPhone, you can follow the same step. So let's start with the video. Let's go on my mobile screen. So guys, here you can see this is my Android phone, and now I'm going to open my LinkedIn. Okay, this is my LinkedIn. Two-step authentication is very important if you want to uh, restrict anyone to operate your account, or you want to if you want to restrict to hack your account. So here you can see you have to go in the you on click on this profile photo. I have to go in setting. You will have a lot of option. So for two-step verification, you have to click in sign in security. Into sign in security, we will have option like, yeah, like this, like email address, phone number, and here you can see the two-step verification or two-step authentication option you will find here. Just click on it. The two-step verification give you the additional security by requiring the verification code where you sign up a new device. It means whenever you are trying to sign in the new device, the two-step verification system will send you the code on your registered phone number or email ID, and then you can log in your new device. Okay, your phone number or authentication app help you to keep account secure. So just click on setup, just read carefully everything and just set up the choose your verification method. Okay, so in authentication app, your mobile phone app will get notification that you are trying to log in another device. Then you have to give acceptance or your authentication to log in the another device. Or if you choose phone number, then you will get SMS on your phone number that somebody trying to log in on your device, and you will get the OTP, and that OTP you should enter in your new device, and then you can log in. So choose your preference from here, app or phone number, and just click continue. Enter your phone number, password, your password, enter your current password. First select your country from here, US, UK, everywhere if you want. Okay, just choose US. Phone number, you have to click enter the phone number. You have to enter your current password and just send code. Then one code you will receive on your phone number. One code you will receive on phone number, this code should be entered, then your phone will be verified, and then your two-step verification will be on. I hope you like this video. Thank you.